अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज का थोड़ा सा वर्कशॉप के हवाले से मैं बात करना चाहूँगा जो एक कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स के अंदर क्यों इम्पोर्टेंट होता है और कम्युनिकेशन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की आपकी डेली लाइफ में क्यों इम्पोर्टेंट रोल प्ले करता है। कम्युनिकेशन इज बेसिकली इज नॉट के यार बात कन्वे करना या बात को समझाना, इट्स नॉट दैट थिंग। बेसिकली जब आप कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स के अंदर एक हुनर होता है कि हाउ टू टॉक एंड हाउ टू टॉक विद द एल्डर्स एंड हाउ टू टॉक विद द स्ट्रेंजर एंड हाउ टू टॉक विद द कॉर्पोरेट पीपल, हाउ टू टॉक विद द अदर पर्सन, हाउ टू टॉक with the age group members, and how to come under their level to so they can understand you what kind of things you want to understand, and which are the capability to understand, that is called basically understanding of each other, the way they speak to each other, the things the person want to tell you, and you have to listen what he want to listen it. So in communication, what is a communication is basically communication is simply the act of transferring information from one place to another, or how we give or receive information, convey your ideas and opinions with those around us. So basically it's the process which starts from here is that okay, the feedback is the sender, the receiver, and the message, and the encodes and decodes. हाँ भाई बात समझ आ रही है, कहना क्या चाह रहा हूँ, समझ आ गई है कि आपने मैसेज को कन्वे करना, अंडरस्टैंडेबल करना है कि the sender what he wants to receive from the receiver कि that has to be worked, or the thing has to be done and delivered according to the sender requirement. That needs to be understood with having the causes due to some barriers which can be which can be mindset of the mind. These are the things which are the utilization which may have the effect on the communication level. This is the whole things that better to respond to stakeholders, quick problem solving, strong decision making, more productivity towards the effective communication, consistency towards the workflow, strong business relation, pattern control. All these characteristics are required for the in communication, in decision making, in strategy making, in the organization, and in your personality work, in all aspects of your daily life routine. These effective communications are role play have the major impact, because in if we definitely we have to face the obstacles, we have to face the things, so how you cope up yourself, how you come up with the things. So these are the some few obstacles which create the misunderstanding. Four elements, that is number one is bypassing some frame of reference, is the lack of skills and distractions. All these things are the things which create perceptions, and the things which create misunderstanding during the communication skills. So during the process of communication and during the NLP, one is called sensory. There is a filter. You have to wrap up, build up in the communication. It all depends on your mind. Right? It all depends on your mind. So how you come up from it. So there is the things which I have been noticing in during and doing practicing in NLP. That is basically number one, what you want to listen, filter out, then listen, have the sensory focus, what the problem it is, then I create the action and give the solution from the problem. So if there is a problem, there is a solution lying along with it, or within the question, there is a solution. So you have to grab it, and you have to take those advantages and the take things. So you have to step on. So This is the things we have to see कि what is the concept, the external behavior. So what will be your response from the internal perspective, and what will be the external behavior, what will be coming internal response to it. So it's a give and out the thing. So what is overcoming? Like number one is that reading books, understanding different people, understanding the things, the questions, answers. Then you have to overcome the obstacles. You have to break those barriers in life, and it all does comes under by practicing daily, day by day. Uh, Last but not the least, these are the few, not as a customer service, but it can conclude as the communications six pillars, which is the attitude, interest, action, verbal language, body language, your tone, articulations, how you speak, how you convey the words, do you shout, or your action, your face expressions, all these things, verbal things comes under your body languages. So understanding your customers, your the receivers make powerful differences. The dealing with it, with have you have to be very calm, listen first, and have a smile on your face, and all these things come up करूं तो जिंदगी में मुस्कुराहट, कम्युनिकेशन, तहम्मुल, फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी, ये तमाम चीजें जितने अपनी कम्युनिकेशन में और टीम बिल्डिंग के अंदर या लीडरशिप क्वालिटीज के अंदर होंगी, ये तमाम चीजें आपको नजर आएंगी, राइट।